the part 2 is cover the journal entry from. So we can go to journal entry from. This is the list of the journal and pagination information. From there go to from page, we can filtering or search by name or edit the journal entry, or also can view the details of the journal, cash and cash receipt, also add the new entry. So we are trying to add new entry, rent expense. Rent expense is debit and cash is credit. Now saving the information. So it is showing that the future date is not allowed for the purpose. So we apply the old date and try to insert the data. So data is entered successfully. So you get the last page. So new entries come from here. We can view details from there. Also can details view. Also can delete. If we go to the report from, so report from, go to next. If you click, so new entry from, the header is the rent description and the transaction is there. It is the primary purpose and the line transaction there. Rent expense is debit and the cash is credit. So go to the first phase. So it is the list of the journal of entry. We can also filter by the date started and in date based on the time. Also can search. Also can print PDF and also can show PDF. So this is for the journal part, and I'm going to share the some basic structure of the project. So project is depend of the application layer, core layer, infrastructure layer, and presentation is depend on the API and UI. You apply for the API and we apply the JW token validation. Also use the versioning of the API. So if in future we change to day change, so we can apply the version in the new folder as version 2, version 3. So we can use the versioning for for JWT token using. If we go to a structure, we can found the security portion. So for the security portion for the JW token, we are using the JW authentication validation apply for the authentications. For token generation, we are using the customized JW token format. Secret code provide the header of the create of the JW token, claim, payload, and then create the signature basing the encoding, and also we can decode, apply validation, check the token is valid or not. If we go to infrastructure, we are using application layer, we are using a CQRS or command handle inquiry. So command data here is showing update information and other thing, and handling is the handling the request, and queries the format of the request, and entity, the basic entity for the journal entry, basic entity, and the chart of account and the user information. Interface, iRepository, we using repository pattern for this project. User manage. If for database and communication, we are using the helper, data helper, to access the database from the base of the token. So that is all, and thank you.